Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to connect Xbox to Discord. In order to connect Xbox to Discord, you need to follow these simple steps. First thing, open up a browser and log into your Discord account. So type in discord.com, .channel.me, and when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now while you're on this page, you can see this is how it's gonna look like, and at the bottom you can find this gear icon. Just go ahead and press that, which is also indicated as user settings. While you land to the user settings, in the left hand side bar you could see multiple options under my account. You go to connections. As soon as you press on connections, here gonna locate Xbox. So as you can see, I do not have the options to go ahead and connect Xbox. So here, go ahead and locate Xbox. Then next thing what you want to do is go ahead and press the connection button at the bottom. Then you need to go ahead and enter the credential of your Xbox. Once you do that, fill out all of the information that has been asked, and with that you'll have successfully linked your Xbox to your Discord account. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.